Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to start the practical questions based on the chapter Fundamentals of Partnership Firm, right? तो हम लोगों ने सब कुछ पार्टनरशिप फर्म के बारे में बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ लिया है, राइट? हमें पता चल चुका है कि क्या पार्टनरशिप फर्म होती है, कैसे वो अपनी बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स को मेंटेन करती हैं, एंड वी हैव आल्सो लर्नड अबाउट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स सच एज कैपिटल एंड ड्राइंग. Right? Now it's time for the question. So I'm going to put one question on the screen. I want you guys to solve with me that question, and that particular question is based upon the profit and loss appropriation account and the partner's capital account, right? So you don't have to do anything, just sit with your copy and pen and do the question with me, right? So let's get started. Okay, A and B started a partnership business on 1st April 2003. They contributed rupees 6 lakh and 4 lakh respectively as their capitals. The terms of the partnership agreement as under: interest on capital and drawings enter at 6% per annum. Second, B is to get a monthly salary of 2500. Third, sharing of profit or loss will be in the ratio of their capital contribution. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2004 before making the above appropriation was 2,07,400 and their drawings were 48,000 and 40,000 respectively. Further, the interest on drawings amounted to rupees 1,500 for A and rupees 1,100 for B. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Right? So start with the profit and loss appropriation account. Right? First of all, I have told you to write the date for the year ended. What is the date given in the question? The date which is given in the question is 31st March 2004. That's it. Now make the anti format of profit and loss appropriation account. It looks like this. Debit particulars, amount particulars, and amount. Right? Now let's start the question by writing the credit particulars first. The first and the foremost item I have told you is the profit given in the question, profit and loss account, and the profit given in the question is 2,07,400. Right? Let's move towards the second. Buy interest on drawing. Right? There are two partners, partner A and partner B, and the drawings given in the question are 1,500 and 1,100. Total 2,600 we are going to write outside. Right? We are done with the credit items. Now let's move towards the debit items. So the first and the foremost thing that we are going to write is the interest on capital. Right? So there are two partners, partner A and partner B, and the capitals are 6 lakh and 4 lakh, and they have told you to charge the interest 6% per annum. Right? So 6% of 6 lakh and 6% of 4 lakh. It's going to give you 36,000 for A and 24,000 for B. Simply you are going to write the total outside. Simple. Now moving forward, they have told you B is to get a monthly salary of 2,500, right? So give the salary to B, to salary account, and how much? 2,500. A monthly salary of 2,500 is going to give you 30,000. Right? Now let's check if something we have left in the question. So we are done with IOC, IOD, salary दे दी, right? Profit लिख दिया. That's it. Now let's close the account as I have told you. So simply what are you getting? 2,07,400 plus 2,600. You are getting 2,10,000. Right? 2,10,000. Now you are going to calculate the profit which is transferred to capital account of partners. partner A and partner B, right? So first of all, calculate the amount that you are getting after deducting all the expenses. 2,10,000 minus 60,000 and minus 30,000. So you are getting 1,20,000. Right? After this, you need to divide this profit amongst the partner A and partner B. Right? Now, ratio that they have told you, sharing of profit and loss will be in the ratio of their capital contribution. तो आपको रेशियो निकालनी है कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूशन की बेसिस पर. So these two are the capital contribution and you are getting 3:2. Now divide the 1,20 in 3:2. That is giving you 72,000 and 48,000. So this is it. We have made the profit and loss appropriation account which is being asked in the question. Now further they have asked you to create a partner's capital account, right? But before heading with that, I would like to teach you about the journal entries, right? So sometimes question might come कि आपको profit and loss appropriation बनाने के बाद journal entries पास करनी है, right? So in that case, I would say कि आप पहले profit and loss appropriation account बनाओ, उसके बाद आपको journal entries पास करनी है. Now let's start with the journal entries. So the journal entries will be of profit and loss appropriation account 1, interest on drawing 2, right? Interest on capital 3, salary and last about the profit and loss. Now I'll tell you how you should pass the journal entries. So this is your profit and loss appropriation account. आपको इस account की debit side and credit side पर ध्यान देना है, right? Now for the items जो credit side है, तो आप profit and loss appropriation account को credit करोगे. Why? Because this is the side of profit and loss appropriation account. So the entry for this one is profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account, right? Similarly for interest on drawing, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So all the items that will appear on your credit side, you are going to do all those debit because this is your credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. राइट अगर आप अकाउंट बनाने के बाद एंट्री पास करते हो तो वो इजी हो जाता है. राइट नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विद द डेबिट आइटम्स, आपके पास प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट की डेबिट साइड है, तो आप सिंपली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन को डेबिट कर दोगे और बाकी सारे आइटम्स को क्रेडिट कर दोगे. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, टू A's capital account and to B's capital account. Similarly for salary, profit and loss appropriation account debit to salaries account. This is it. This is how you have to frame the journal entries. Now let's move towards the second part of the question, partner's capital account. So let's get started. Right. So in the question they have also asked you to prepare a partner's capital account. So your partner's capital account format looks like something this. आपके दो पार्टनर्स हैं, पार्टनर ए पार्टनर बी, और यहाँ पर आप क्रेडिट पर्टिकुलर्स लिखोगे और यहाँ पर डेबिट पर्टिकुलर्स. नाउ बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट को आप ऐसे समझो ये आपका अकाउंट है, राइट? आपके अकाउंट में जो भी चीजें आएंगी वो सब आप क्रेडिट साइड लिखोगे और आपके खाते से जो सब चीजें जाएंगी उसको आप डेबिट साइड लिखोगे, राइट? सो फर्स्ट आइटम दैट विल स्टार्ट विद द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉड डाउन, राइट? आपकी जो कैपिटल है आप सबसे पहले उसको लिख दोगे. सो द कैपिटल फॉर A is 6 lakh and the capital for B is 4 lakh, right? Now the second item that you are going to write, you are also going to make use of your profit and loss appropriation account. तो वहां पर सबसे पहले पार्टनर्स को IOC दिया गया था, तो आप लिखोगे टू IOC account, राइट? 36 था A का और 24,000 का B का, राइट? आफ्टर दैट हमने B को सैलरी दी थी, तो सैलरी अकाउंट जिसको सैलरी दी थी उसके अकाउंट में लिख दो 30,000, राइट? आफ्टर दैट हमारा प्रॉफिट आया था जिसको हम देंगे पार्टनर्स को, एंड दैट प्रॉफिट वाज 72,000 and 48,000, right? Now the Now these are only credit items that you are going to write. तो ये सारे items हमारे partners को मिले हैं, right? तो हम उसकी credit side में लिखेंगे. Now comes your debit side. तो आपकी debit side में सबसे पहले आएंगी drawings, right? So how much drawings they have told you in the question? 48,000 and 40,000. 48 for A and 40,000 for B. Right? It is advisable कि आप जब क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पर होता है उसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, because after that it will be easy for you to solve the question, right? After drawings you are going to write the interest on drawing, ROD. Right? So the interest on drawing given in the question is 1,500 for A and 1,100 for B. Right? This is it. This is it about your partner's capital account. After that, you are going to close your account simply like we do the other account. आप अपने partner's capital account को close कर दो, right? Calculate the total of your credit side and subtract your debit side, and here you will get the closing balance of partner's capital account. This is how you have to solve the question, right? So the answer that you are getting for this is, you need to do the total. So 6 lakh plus 36,000 plus 72,000, 4 lakh 24,000 plus 30 plus 48, right? So it is giving you 7 lakh 8,000, right? And 5 lakh 2,000. Write the same this side also. Now subtract your debit particulars and you will get your closing balance, which are in case 6,58,000 and 8,500, right? And for B you are getting 4,60,900. Do not copy the answer as it is. Just try to solve the answer right at home. So these questions are very simple. In this format, you have to solve the profit and